Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you how to draw that tasty pie and how to create design for stock platforms, for example, like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Magnific, iStock, and for Behance. And we will use only that design. So we create one design and we will make a design for the stock portfolio and for the freelance portfolio. And I wanted to create design in America 50s style, so it will be like retro tutorial, and we will make design in Adobe Illustrator. And if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's start from stock platforms. Guys, if you draw just a pie, you will be one in a million stalkers who draw cakes, pies, muffins, cupcakes for stocks, and there is a lot of designs such like this. But if you make a template with pie, for example, Thanksgiving dinner invitation, you will be one step higher than other stalkers because it's more difficult than to make just a pie, and because the buyer can take your template and use it at once. For example, guys, here you see my top sellers on Adobe Stock, and here mostly of them it's templates. It means it designs with texts. So here you see ticket, here coupon, here invitation, here VIP banner, poker banner, VIP card, and you see there is a lot of designs with text, and buyer can take every of these design and use it at once. There is no need to add something or to change something. Of course, if it's invitation, he needs to change, for example, the date or the time for this invitation, but mostly of these designs buyer can use at once. For example, best, gold, silver, bronze, VIP, golden pass. So for the stocks, you need to create designs that will be helpful and useful for your buyer, and then you will have sales. Your designs mustn't be very complicated or have a lot of details. They should be useful, helpful, and you need to understand where your buyer will be use these designs. So the main questions for you when you create design should be where my design will be used and who will be use my design, and then you can create your designs and they will be useful, helpful, and so you will have a lot of sales of one design. Well guys, now we are in Adobe Illustrator. Let's look at my design. Today I won't show you how I draw the design, I just talk about the design. If you're just a beginner in Adobe Illustrator, please start from that video where I have a free plan how to start in Adobe Illustrator. And of course on YouTube I won't show you how I create the design from scratch, how I create idea, how I match colors, fonts. And if you want to study with me, you can come to my graphic design course. You will find all information about my course below this video. So the first step, start from my free plan. There is 30 different tutorials with tasks, and after that you can come to my course. And now let's talk about the design. Here you see the invitation template for Thanksgiving dinner. And let's look at it. At first, let's look at what size of my invitation. It's 3700 pixels to 4700 pixels. It's similar like format A4. That size it's pretty good for stocks. And let's release clipping mask. Here I have my grainy texture. Let's look at it closer. Let's make it more visual, and let's make it, for example, black to see it. Okay, here my grainy texture. I made it by myself. Okay, let's for now delete it. Here I have background ungroup. It just vertical and horizontal lines with opacity 20. Okay, these fonts you will find below this video. I have two fonts here. And if we delete, for example, all text and backgrounds and textures, it will be just a pie. So as you see, if it will be just a pie, the buyer should think where to use the design. But when the buyer see the design, he understands that the design will be used like invitation for Thanksgiving dinner. And let's look a little to my pie. Let's delete again this one. And what elements I used to create the design. Here I have just a circle with zigzag form. As well here, let's release clipping mask. And here I have just a circle and these details to make pie effect. Okay, and that's all. And grain texture with help of just ellipses. It just ellipses with different sizes. So guys, how to understand what to write on your invitation? You need to make research. For example, you have theme Thanksgiving invitation and you can go to Pinterest and to see what text mostly have all Thanksgiving dinner invitations. And you need to find, for example, 10 different invitations and to understand what common between these invitations. It's Thanksgiving dinner, it's time, date, its place, and it's something else. So you need to understand what people mostly write on invitations. And after that, you need to create design and then add the text. And like this, you will have Thanksgiving invitation with right text and right design. And let's make a little stop. And here I want to invite you to my Telegram channel where I'm talking about graphic design. There is a lot of posts about stock platforms, about graphic design, and chat with graphic designers. And if you want to be a little closer to me, you can come to my Telegram channel. And as well, I want to invite you to my Instagram. There is my life in Montenegro, in a small town, Herceg Novi, but my Instagram in Russian. And if you want to know me a little closer, so you can come to my Instagram. Now let's talk about Behance. This is my Behance, and here you see my design. And when you create your design for Behance, you need to come up with a story. A story of my pie, it's a logotype for bakery house. Let's open my case. Let's open my project. And here you see the name is Pie Day Bake House. And here you see my bake house in style American bakehouse of the 50s. I want that it will be a modern bakery, but with spirit of American bakehouse of the 50s. So you see here retro designs, retro fonts, retro colors, and of course retro mockups. All these mockups I created with help of AI. And if you don't know how to create mockups with help of AI, you will find my video about it. So then you create your design for the portfolio. You need to make a project and to tell your future customer what work was done in that project. And of course, with help of mockups, with help of photos, with help of text, you can show the life of your design. So this is my case. If you want to see my case a little closer, then go below this video and you will find the link to that project. So if you want to try to make portfolio project, you, for example, can at first create your design, then create the project, for example, logotype for the bake house, and after that create the full project. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe. If you have questions, you can write them in the comments below. And you create, for example, not pie. You can create, for example, cupcake or donut and create your own design for Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Magnific, iStock, and for your project on Behance. And see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos in a graphic design.